Bullish DOGECOin Mars cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market experts accept ELON could reach $0 2025. Bearish DOGECOin Mars market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. DOGECOin Mars presentation. DOGECOin Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers depict it as a fair general money for individuals and an interplanetary cash utilized by space colonizers. DOGECOin Mars isn't just a digital money, yet in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Unexpectedly, you can get them with Ethereum. Despite the fact that this digital money has an enormous and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital money guide will uncover all that you want to be familiar with DOGECOin Mars and its elements. By and by, our essential spotlight will stay on the DOGECOin Mars cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is DOGECOin Mars? DOGECOin is a blockchain-based environment used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading merchandise, making installments, and compensating patrons. DOGECOin Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. In any case, there's no data accessible about the symbolic's maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper framing its main goal and targets. Tokenomics of DOGECOin Mars biological system. DOGECOin Mars digital currency is known as ELON, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called ELON, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in DOGECOIN. It has great tokenomics, and DOGECOin Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Polonix offers the ELON USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The DOGECOin Mars digital money has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of DOGECOin Mars ELON expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a gigantic return. The organization then, at that point, rose to the 150th situation concerning market capitalization. There was no token per sale in light of the fact that it is a fair general cryptographic money. Subsequent to sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the leftover portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH matches, which will remain for eternity. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. DOGECOin Blemishes Group then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just build over the long run. The DOGECOin Mars Group exhibited that they wouldn't commit a mat draw, a crypto trick in which designers siphon up the worth of their virtual cash, pull back however much they can, and dump the task by consuming the liquidity supplier token. The DOGECOin Mars organizers cannot do so on the grounds that they consumed the tokens they got for keeping assets into the venture. Maybe that is the justification for why DOGECOin Mars presents itself as an undertaking pointed toward fixing the harm done by digital currency tricksters. DOGECOin Mars coin outline. That is a genuinely normal event for image coins, and financial backers should, in all seriousness, practice alert while managing obscure coins to try not to succumb to pernicious practices, for example, mat pulls and leave tricks. ELON has been available for a long time, making the possibilities of the coin being a trick generally low. Assuming that you're pondering where to purchase DOGECOin Mars, the top digital currency trades for exchanging DOGECOin Mars stock right presently are OKX, MEXC, CoinTiger, KuCoin, and DigiFinex. DOGECOin Mars is presently worth $0. ELON has moved 1.95% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,038,496. DOGECOin Mars is presently positioned 136 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $160,256,345 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for DOGECOin Mars to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. DOGECOin Mars value expectation 2023. DOGECOin Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ELON cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. DOGECOin Mars value expectation 2024. In 2024, DOGECOin Mars ELON cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ELON will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the ELON's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ELON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. DOGECOIN Mars Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. ELON might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ELON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0. 2025. DOGECOIN Mars Value Expectation 2026. Assuming DOGECOIN Mars effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2026. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. DOGECOIN Mars Value Forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized investigation, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, ELON has a most extreme value worth of $0. DOGECOIN Mars Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ELON needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. DOGECOIN Mars Value Forecast 2029. While ELON is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0. 2029. DOGECOIN Mars Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, DOGECOIN Mars will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. DOGECOIN Mars Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ELON cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And, as indicated by DOGECOIN Mars cost expectation, future costs will be bullish, and DOGECOIN Mars will be a wise venture. In any case, ELON's development not entirely settled by the condition of the market at that point, as there is no connection between the DOGECOIN Mars ongoing worth and its future cost.